Transform your TV watching or holiday gatherings with the Govee DreamView T1. This innovative system uses a 1080p intelligent camera to capture the colors on your screen and automatically adjust the backlights of your TV, ensuring a dynamic and immersive experience. Unlike other systems, it offers higher resolution for precise color recognition, giving you the perfect lighting to match every scene. Keep in mind that the camera is designed only for color capturing, not for projections or audio purposes. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. The Casio Ring Watch CRW001 is a remarkable blend of technology and precision craftsmanship, creating a full metal version of a classic timepiece in a finger-worn design. To achieve this, the watch case, back, and band are formed as a single piece using an advanced metal injection molding process. This technique allows for the intricate details, including the band's dimpled texture, to be reproduced in fine detail. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Windsible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Windsible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. The Wonder Maker ZR Ultra 4 is a cutting-edge 3D printer built for creators, engineers, and hobbyists who seek a streamlined and efficient printing experience. With an ultra-low heat bed temperature, this printer ensures that your printed objects remain firmly in place, cutting down on energy usage. This reduces your power bills while contributing to a greener planet. Designed for optimal performance, the ZR Ultra is engineered for fast, multicolor, and multi-material printing. Not all grooming tools are built with this much purpose packed into such a small frame. This multifunctional mini mobile phone shaver redefines convenience with a truly compact, battery-free design. Crafted to run directly from your smartphone or mobile power bank, it's engineered for real-life mobility. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply tidying up before a meeting. When deadlines loom and storage runs thin, the Mini-Mac steps up with power, precision, and professional-grade efficiency. Built for photographers, videographers, and mobile editors, this compact SSD redefines portable performance. Crafted for the iPhone ecosystem, it elevates content creation by turning your smartphone into a high-speed production hub. Every frame, every file, handled with speed and clarity. Far from the reach of cellular towers, the InReach Messenger Plus becomes an essential lifeline, delivering seamless two-way communication through satellite connectivity. Designed for those who venture beyond the grid, it supports photo, text, and voice messaging, even in total cell service blackout. Its SOS feature links directly to 24/7 emergency response, ensuring help is just a message away. Built to endure the extremes, the InReach Messenger Plus resists water up to 3.3 3 feet deep. Out where city lights fade and the sky reveals its hidden canvas, the Vista portable smart telescope transforms ordinary nights into clear sky adventures. Built for stargazing, birding, and wildlife observation, this compact powerhouse balances portability with performance. Whether you're scanning the night sky or tracking the wing beat of a hawk at dawn, Vista delivers with 240 times zoom power and ultra-sharp precision. Unleash control with a tool that transforms your creative workspace into an intuitive command center. The Tourbox Lite bridges the gap between efficiency and precision, giving digital artists, editors, and photographers a tactile edge that speeds up workflows without straining budgets. With 8 strategically placed buttons capable of executing over 100 customizable actions, this controller offers both simplicity for newcomers and deep functionality for experienced users. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The YAPO Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget, it's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. Let your coffee break say more than just, "I need caffeine." The Pixel Mug P1 is not your average mug. It's a fully customizable, AI-powered display companion designed to animate your space with light, color, and personality. With 1,000 vivid LED pixels wrapped around its 14-ounce ceramic body, this mug lets you broadcast your mood, personal messages, or pixel art in real time. Paired with a sleek app, you can instantly upload animations, text, or images with Bluetooth control from up to 33 feet away. Step away from static posters and costly reprints. The ballooning 8-color e-ink canvas reinvents wall art. No glass, no glare, no electricity-hungry screen. Instead, you get full-color, paper-like visuals that shift with your mood, all powered by the advanced Spectra 6 e-ink panel. With a 28.5-inch sharp IGZO display, every image appears crisp and natural, minus the harsh blue light or flicker of traditional displays. Sometimes life doesn't come with a laundry room. That's where ICTK steps in, not just as another gadget, but as a thoughtful solution to everyday drying needs. For people constantly on the go, sharing small spaces, or lacking permanent housing, ICTK brings flexibility and performance to the forefront. Dryers today are often too big, too loud, and not designed with intelligence. Even portable options on the market are clunky in practice and fail to offer true portability. Step onto precision with Lefu, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. The Zero Mark II redefines versatility in everyday carry tools. With its sleek and compact design, this innovative pen packs an impressive array of features into a form no larger than a credit card. Crafted from 54 meticulously engineered parts, it transforms into a fully functional writing instrument, making it the perfect blend of portability and utility. This cutting-edge pen is more than just a tool. It's a testament to precision engineering. When collapsed, it effortlessly slides into your pocket or wallet, ready for easy access whenever needed. In a world awash with Pixel 6 screens and dopamine loops, clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the tool you use to read, think, and create could do less harm while helping you do more? The Paper 7 doesn't chase your gaze with glitter. It offers calm. It restores a space where thought, expression, and comfort belong together. This is not another screen. It's a pause in the static. Meet Paper 7, an all-day color paper tablet engineered to prioritize your well-being and creative rhythm. At the core is a 7.8-inch RLCD display that replicates the familiar comfort of real paper with vivid color and precise touch responsiveness. Built with live paper panel technology, it fully eliminates blue light, supporting extended use without fatigue or strain. Eye strain-free RLCD technology provides paper-like clarity in any light, indoors, outdoors, day, or night. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation, and is compatible with multi-touch trackpad gestures. Whether you're working or browsing, the trackpad provides precision at your fingertips. The backlit keyboard adds an extra layer of convenience, with 16 levels of brightness that automatically adjust to your environment. Introducing the future of connectivity, the SuperCable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the SuperCable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Its robust construction incorporates ballistic fiber, offering enhanced durability and resilience, making it perfect for high-performance environments. The cable's compatibility with Thunderbolt 5 and USB 80 gigabits per second ensures that you're always ahead of the curve, ready for the most demanding tasks without compromising speed or reliability. The SuperCable 2.0 doesn't just meet the demands of today's tech, it's built to future-proof your connections for years to come. The Singer Heavy-Duty 4452 sewing machine offers a seamless blend of power, precision, and convenience designed for those seeking a reliable tool for crafting and garment creation. Powered by a stronger motor, it delivers enhanced piercing power, enabling you to sew through multiple layers and thicker fabrics with ease. Whether you're working with denim, leather, or quilting materials, this machine can handle it all. With 110 stitch applications, you can explore a wide range of sewing techniques to bring your creative ideas to life. It features basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, as well as a one-step buttonhole, all allowing for versatile customization. The top drop-in bobbin system comes with a clear view cover, providing easy visibility of the thread supply and preventing jams. Additionally, winding and inserting the bobbin is simple and hassle-free. Maximize your laptop's capabilities with the Thunderboost eGPU dock, a powerful and sleek solution for enhanced graphics and performance. Tailored for gamers, content creators, and professionals, it seamlessly integrates with your setup to boost processing power and visual performance. Featuring Thunderbolt 5 technology, the Thunderboost ensures fast data transfer, while NVIDIA RTX support elevates graphics rendering for a smooth, lag-free experience. This compact dock allows users to connect external GPUs, unlocking new levels of gaming immersion and creative flexibility. Whether you're rendering high-definition videos, running complex simulations, or gaming at ultra settings, the Thunderboost eGPU dock meets the demands of high-end workflows. The dock's robust design ensures stability while maintaining portability, fitting perfectly into any workspace or gaming rig. The Sigman Laser Level. Self-leveling is designed to provide precision and reliability, offering a powerful tool for both professional and DIY construction projects. Featuring 12 ultra-bright laser lines, this level provides 360-degree full alignment, ideal for a range of tasks such as tiling, framing, and interior design. With a Safety Class 2 rating and a less than 1 milliwatt power output, it ensures both accuracy and safety. Rated IP54, the laser level is resistant to dust and water, making it ideal for challenging environments on job sites. The versatile modes, including auto-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, provide adaptability for any task. Whether installing shelves, aligning walls, or laying tiles, the auto-leveling mode ensures precision within plus or minus 4 degrees, and pulse mode, with a laser receiver, extends the range from 30 meters to 50 meters, perfect for larger areas. In a world where hygiene meets smart design, the Rev2 Mini hand dryer sets a new standard for compact power and aesthetic appeal. Engineered for both residential and commercial spaces, this streamlined device blends function and form, crafted from ABS polycarbonate to deliver durability with a polished finish. Whether outfitting a busy office or elevating a home bathroom, the Rev2 HD 350 offers high-end efficiency without the high-end price tag. At the heart of this electric hand dryer is a powerful motor that generates up to 6.3 gallons per second of airflow, slashing dry times to just seconds. ADA compliant with a sub-4-inch wall profile, it supports multiple mounting options, including an optional stand for drill-free placement. A built-in touchless sensor adds a hygienic layer to public or shared restrooms. Plantone 2.0 is a modern solution to effortless plant care, combining convenience with technology to keep your plants thriving. This innovative system requires minimal attention, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Simply plant your seeds, fill the water tank, and plug in the unit. Plantone will handle the rest, providing your plants with everything they need to grow healthily. What makes Plantone stand out is its use of regular soil, eliminating the need for expensive plant pods. You can cultivate a wide variety of plants, from herbs to flowers to cacti. By using standard potting soil, you'll save money and enjoy fresh, organic produce right at home. In fact, Plantone pays for itself within a year, offering a cost-effective way to grow your own plants. The system's adjustable, full-spectrum LED lights mimic natural sunlight, promoting faster, healthier growth.